Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall! Wagwan my people, Dancehall Skilla here again with more information to give to you, and I have at least one video that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Now, I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica have confirmed that a body that was found in Sandy Gully in Seaview Garden is the body of a person who goes by the name of Shannon Briscoe. It is said that the body was found on Saturday morning, that's the 13th of August, the year 2022. And Shannon Briscoe is said to be a correctional officer. It is said that Briscoe is 38-year-old, and it is said that he was an employee at the Horizon Adult Remand Center in Kingston, Jamaica. It is said that Briscoe was reported missing to the police within the country of Jamaica on the 11th of August, the year 2022. And this is really and truly a sad situation. It is also said that the police have confirmed that Briscoe's motor vehicle was found in Trenchtown on Friday night. That's the 12th of August, the year 2022. It is said that at least one family member identified the body, and it is also suspected that Briscoe might have been beaten based on certain things that can be seen on the body. It is said that the body also started to decompose. I also got the understanding that there is a picture circulated certain places on social media that shows a body, and allegedly the picture shows the body of the person who goes by the name of Shannon Briscoe. It is said that the police are doing their investigation to determine what happened to Shannon Briscoe. Alright? Really a sad situation with people. See, so hopefully as this story develops, I might have more information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that members of the Jamaica Defence Force are among persons who were injured in a multi-vehicle accident that happened in St. James, Jamaica on Friday, the 12th of August, the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that sometime before or after 12 p.m. on August 12, the year 2022, soldiers were traveling in a service vehicle behind a police unit, and they were heading a certain direction. It is said that at least one siren could be heard. It is said that as the Jamaica Defence Force motor vehicle entered the West Green intersection with members of the Jamaica Defence Force on board, a motor vehicle that was traveling from West Green entered the roadway and collided with the Jamaica Defence Force motor vehicle and a motor car. It is said that the impact caused the Jamaica Defence Force motor vehicle to overturn and a motor vehicle burst into flames, meaning that one of those motor vehicles caught on fire. It is said that the driver of the motor vehicle that burst into flames was rescued by persons who was at the location. It is said that the driver for the motor vehicle that burst into flames and the two members of the Jamaica Defence Force was rushed to hospital and received medical attention. It is said that the driver for the third motor vehicle escaped unhurt. It is said that firefighters arrived at the scene and extinguished the blaze. However, the car was destroyed or badly damaged. It is said that the incident resulted into a traffic pileup. I did not get any confirmed information that anyone died as a result of the incident, and there are also pieces of videos circulating on social media that shows some of the things that happened at the scene of the incident. Alright, now here's an interesting news that I think that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might want to know. Some time ago, I posted a video and talk about a Jamaican musician who died, and he goes by the name of Merciless. See? Now, I got information that the results of an autopsy that had been done on the body of Merciless are inconclusive. See? That's the information that I got. So, according to information that I got, it is said that an autopsy performed on the body of once popular DJ Merciless could not determine the cause of his death. According to information that I got, it is said that the autopsy had been done on Thursday, that would be the 11th of August, the year 2022, and the results are inconclusive. See? So I also got information that a police officer said that police are now awaiting the results of tests sent to the lab before giving an official cause of death. See? Now, my people, this is a story that I think I'm going to keep a lookout for. You see what I'm saying to you? Because there are quite a number of allegations about merciless death. You see what I'm saying, my people? Yes, so me just give you the information according to me get the information, my people. You understand? It's really sad to hear what happened to Merciless, and my condolences to the friends and the family of Merciless, a well-known and great musician from within the country of Jamaica. See, anyways, you can let me know what you think about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. I am going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a female. Now, in the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she showed appreciation to each and every man worldwide. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to look at this video and listen to the things that the female said and tell me what you think. After I present the video to you, I'm going to tell you what I think as well, viewers and subscribers. See? Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
I just want to say thank you for all the men around the world.
Listen.
Don't matter your past, I want all you to know that all are relevant. It doesn't matter if you have a job, you don't have a job, the type of job you do. Sometimes all you have it real hard. The type of work all you have to do to make $1.
Sure.
All you will never tell all your girlfriend, all your wife, all your children what you have to go through, because them boss them no good and proper. It's supposed to have machine or more individuals doing them work. Some all your back hurting, all your body hurting, all you going home with headache. I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of all you. So much all you have profiles and all you try to hide the tears in all your eye with a smile, a hoodie, a face mask, a shades. But who our eyes to see will see. Don't ever feel that you're less than anybody. I want you to know it's time to put back on all your crown. Sit back down on all your throne. Take back all your stuff in all your hand, because all you is royalty. All you precious. All you strong. All you is the trees that's supposed to give we the shade.
I don't hear anything negative in what she said. I don't hear a negative word come from out of her mouth. She pretty and her words them pretty. Big her up. Me respect her for make a video like this. Positive vibes video. We need more of them type of video, my people. Like on a reel, we need more of these types of videos. You see, make videos out there will give positive vibes, you know what I mean? But how so often? You know, there are more negative put out there on social media than positive, and that's in my point of view. I tell you the truth, my people, but you know. Wow. Thing need a balance, man. There's some man I go through whole heap. There's some man I go through some things where it's like they don't even want to make nobody know because of pride and shame and guilt and all different kind of things. No joke, you know what I mean? I hope say that someone will hear this video and it uplift them, you know, give them a good vibes, make them know, say, yo, people out there really and truly understand and realize what enough men are going through. People overall. My people, let me know what you think about that video. You don't know, me there to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?